guys, welcome back to Bryan's Thailand. Okay, where we are now, I'll show you. Right, we'll actually start putting all the columns in now, sort of the ceiling framework in, the roof frame support. Bathroom. See, there's the septic tank that they're getting ready to install, and the pipe work, drain system, all the way around the garden. Let's go through here. You can see the drain system goes all the way up there. Right, so I'm going to show you how we actually laid the slab here. Process of doing that, and we put the termite pest control. Right, for the pest control, you can see the pipe sticking out there. I'll show you there. It's the same on the other side. And for the pool, so tomorrow we're actually doing the pour for the concrete here. So they do block work on the outside, the block work laid flat, and then they fill in all the vents that's on top of the block. Put 2 layers of rebar. There's your outlet pipe, and this will have to be an infinity pool. So 1, 2, 3. So you have 4 inlets. This is your vacuum for cleaning, locking pipe. So I'll put the pipe work in, the cable for the cable for the pool lights, which should be done just before the pour comes. Again, this will be for an infinity edge pool on 2 sides, which is this side and on the back there. So in a matter of a month, with about 40 people, this is where they've gotten to so far here on the project. As I said to you before, this is going to be the open living area and bar area and stuff. This is the garage, and then we have storeroom and utility room. As you can see, they've used the proper spaces. These things here, they actually make them on site. Yeah. Looking good. So they reckon this one will be finished by Christmas anyway. Let's see. With the amount of rain we had in the last couple of days, has been quite a lot. And, so the one on site yesterday, but managed to plough on today to do the pool. There's another septic tank going in here for this bathroom. If I remember rightly, this is the master bedroom. There's also a bedroom here and a bedroom over there, and that is kitchen and living area in the centre, like in an L shape. Sorry, bedroom at the back, bedroom here, and an L-shaped kitchen here. And this is the master bedroom, which is a nice size. It's got to be what, up 10 meters by 6 meters. Yeah. You've got about 8 meters in the center here, by about 15 up into the kitchen area. So it's going to be the kitchen. All the pipework goes into the walls. And it's actually a double wall cavity, double cavity wall system they put in, which is about 16 inches thick in total. And up there, because the type of roof system they're putting in, there's actually the gutter system is actually built in concrete gutter system in there, and then there's a pipe that'll actually run down on the end columns there, one on each side, for the rainwater to run off. It'll look like a flat roof system like on the previous other houses that we've done, like a hidden roof system. So there you go. I hope you can hear us clearly, because I have a problem with my Rode mic. I keep getting a clicking noise when I plug it in, which is normally common. I think it's just the lead, that's the problem. So coming along nicely. Anyway guys, that's going to be it for now on this, because tomorrow, Friday, today is Wednesday. Friday I'm away up to Chiang Rai to meet up with Gordon. We've got some video work to do up there and talk about some future prospects up there. Some new developments going on up in Chiang Rai. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, like, share, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button, so you get notifications for the next video. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now guys.